Hello everyone, I'm Samuel from the Art of Shaving. I hope you're safe, healthy, you and your family. Today I'm going to show you how to shave your face with a straight razor. So whenever you're holding a razor, you want to put 3 fingers on the shank, which is the back spine right here. And then you want to put your pinky on the end of the tang or the tail, whatever you want to call it. And then the thumb will go right underneath the actual shank. And then it's going to be held like that. That's going to allow for optimal balance and control. And whenever you're shaving, you want to make sure you're stretching the skin as much as possible, and the blade is as flat as it can be, and that you're applying as little pressure as possible to shave the hair off. Alright, so now we're going to add some heat to the skin with hot water or a hot towel. Just going to use a towel. Next thing, we're going to add a little bit of pre-shave oil. This is going to protect the skin and let the razor glide. A little bit of shave cream. Got a Badger brush. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to focus mostly from sideburn down to the jaw and around on the cheeks from the left and the right side. Right? So 3 fingers on the tang, 3 fingers on the shank, pinky on the tang, and thumb goes on the bottom of the shank. And just stretch the skin, and then the blade is going to be held very flat, and very light, gentle strokes. The blade should be as flat as possible. Also apply as little pressure as possible. So when we're shaving against the grain, you want to kind of take small strokes. I'm going to actually go a little bit across first so it doesn't pull, and then I'm going to slowly go against. Alright, now that the shave is done, I'm going to start to cool down the skin. I have a cool towel. I'm just going to gently pat that onto the skin. Right, and now I'm going to apply a little bit of aftershave balm. And just pat that on gently. Alright everyone, that about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. And I hope you can go in your bathroom with confidence and shave your face with a straight razor. Again, that was the video for the right and left sides of your face. Stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 on how to shave the other areas. Take care and stay safe.